So, you want to learn how to insert and format text boxes for effective content placement? Well, you've come to the right place. Let me break it down for you in a jiffy. First things first, open up your favorite editing software. Whether it's Photoshop, Canva, or even good old Microsoft Word, the process is pretty similar across the board. Now, locate the text box tool. It's usually represented by a little T icon. Click on it, and voila! A text box magically appears on your canvas. Next, type in your desired text. Whether it's a catchy headline, a witty caption, or an important message, make sure it grabs attention and gets your point across. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's make that text box pop. Select the box and play around with the formatting options. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your style and brand. You can even add some cool effects like shadows or gradients to make it stand out. Now, here's the secret sauce: placement. Where you put that text box can make or break your content. Think about the composition and balance of your design. Is it better at the top, bottom, or maybe off to the side? Experiment and see what works best for your message. And there you have it, folks. You're now a text box pro. Remember, inserting and formatting text boxes is all about making your content shine. So go ahead, get creative, and let those words do the talking. End with a smile and a thumbs up.